Hi, I'm Bill Patskin. I'm the engineering manager here at Precise Tool and Manufacturing, and I'd like to welcome you to our engineering group. Our engineering group is made up of two rooms to create an integrated team. On the one side, we have all our CNC programming using Siemens NX, also our CMM programming using PC-DEMIS offline software. And on our engineering side, we use Autodesk Inventor for the creation of our manufacturing fixturing and tooling. So we use Epicor ERP system to create our job travelers and manufacturing plans. The job traveler that we create here in the engineering group details every step and process required to make our customers' parts. It will specify materials, what the actual material requirements are, any components, where they're bought, pricing, cost, and we can also go back and look and see when it was ordered, when is it due. And then we have our detailed plan. It will specify every work cell and operation that's required. It will specify outsource operations, whether it be heat treat, painting, plating, specify quality checkpoints, also assembly operations, and finally packaging. Another aspect of our planning in the engineering group is our fixture and work holding creation. So we use Autodesk Inventor to create the work holding and fixtures, and then that work holding fixture with the part simulation is put into our CNC programming side, which is used on Siemens NX, where they can do a full simulated cutting path to ensure the accuracy of the part prior to the part actually being cut in the machine. Sometimes we use our 3D printing process to facilitate little fixtures or designs before we actually create them out of metal. Also, on our CNC programming side, they will create a detailed tool sheet, which will then go to our tool crib. So when the job is ready to be put into a machine, the tools are already set. Your machinist will not be setting tools. That is done offline, so that when the job is ready, he can automatically, immediately start to set the job up. Also, another asset in our group is our process improvement specialist. We have a person on board who continuously throughout the day goes throughout the shop, monitoring running jobs and looks for ways for improvement. Here at Precise Tool, our engineering group, we look forward to the opportunity to work with you. We would like you to visit our website, and we look forward to the opportunity to show you what a quality product we can deliver to you.